Hi, good evening. Hope everybody enjoyed today's rally in Nifty and Bank Nifty. When market began, there was a little downtrend, and then the rally started. It was a very nice rally. So let me start the analysis. Nifty post-market analysis of 15th February. Let me begin with saying to subscribe my channel. Let me start with the open interest. The call open interest is 15,95,867 and put open interest is 12,18,089. The put call ratio is 0.76. Yesterday it was 0.47 and I was telling that lower PCR ratio means the market has to rally. So that's the result. What we saw today, the market rallied like anything. So even there is a chance of much more rally. The put call ratio should be somewhere around 1.2 to 1.5 to be in a sideways market. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Let's see what's the verdict the market will give tomorrow. Now let's analyze the option chain. It's very clear here. We see the highest volume is at 17,500. That is 24 lakhs 3,162. And open interest is 1,21,268 at 17,500. So tomorrow this will act as a strong resistance. And here, and on the other side, 17,000 will act as a good support. Yesterday, 17,000 was acting as a support. And today market closed at 17,352.45. So tomorrow we can see a very strong resistance at 17,500. So we can expect a movement of around 100 to 150 points. But the support is too far. Hope to have a good rally tomorrow. Now let's see what's happened in the weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, yesterday we were discussing about the level which is 16,765. From this level, we can see the history that it has bounced back. So there are resistances here. This has taken a good support here. So there was a rally of around 500 points. So now the market closed at 17,352.45. Still, we can expect more rally. As we see here, it has closed the market has closed on a weekly time frame very clearly above 21 exponential moving average. So market may rally even tomorrow. Now let's see what's there in the daily time frame chart. We can see here this gap is completely covered with the today's rally. This entire gap is completely covered with the today's rally. So still it is below 21 exponential moving average. Hope to have a nice rally. As we see this candle, it is an elephant candle. So after the formation of an elephant candle, let's hope for a good rally. Now let's see what's on the daily time frame. I'm sorry, on hourly time frame. Hourly time frame, it's very clear. The market has closed above 21 exponential moving average. So short term, it's a good sign for the upward movement. On a 15 minutes time frame, the major support is 17,000. 17,000 will be the major support, and the resistance will be at 17,538. So we can expect a rally till 17,538. And as we see here, it has crossed 21, it has crossed 50 exponential moving average from the bottom. So short term, it's a good rally we can expect. But please take care of the resistance and support here. 17,000 is the support and the resistance is at 17,538. Tomorrow, in the beginning, market may drop a little, but it will recover. That's what I feel. So as of now, that's it as of now. So let's hope for a very good trading day tomorrow. Happy trading. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.